Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allah ta'ala fi Surah Al-Anaam, وَمَا الْحَيَاةُ الدُّنْيَا إِلَّا لَعِبٌ وَلَهْوٌ وَلَلدَّارُ الْآخِرَةُ خَيْرٌ لِلَّذِينَ يَتَّقُونَ أَفَلَا تَعْقِلُونَ. Translation: And life in this world is nothing except a play, fun, and pastime amusement, while the home of hereafter is certainly far better for those who fear Allah to be pious. Will you not then understand? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made this world nothing except a play, fun, and pastime amusement, meaning that nothing here in this world is permanent, nothing is stable, everything will eventually be destroyed, everyone in this world will die and will taste the death, and the hereafter in comparison to this world is far better, is permanent, is not going to be destroyed, is not going to be ended, and the joy of hereafter is permanent, and the punishment of hereafter is also permanent. The goals achieved in this life are temporary goals, and they give temporary satisfaction, and the things in this life are not going to last forever, and this is like a play in which someone is given a higher role and someone is given a lower role. For example, in a play, someone is a king and someone is a slave, but after the play is over, both the king and slave are sitting together, and no one is a king anymore and no one is a slave anymore. But in this life, the reality is that whatever we sow in this life, we will reap in the hereafter, and the actions in this life will be rewarded or punished in the next life, in the hereafter. The condition of the good action is this, that they must be done with only one intention, and that intention is to please Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And one who is doing good actions with this intention of pleasing Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has taqwa in his heart, and he is sincerely doing the efforts to please Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And scholars have said that taqwa is a condition of the heart in which a person is living in this life and passing through this life as if he is passing through a dangerous forest in which there are many things that can harm him, but he is saving himself and his clothes and his belongings from all the harmful things and just passing through very, very carefully. So if a person is saving himself in this life from the sins and from the bad things and from the temptations of sin in this life, he has taqwa. And with the mercy of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, his actions will be rewarded in the hereafter in a life which is much better than the life of this world, and which is real and which is permanent. In the end, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, أَفَلَا تَعْقِلُونَ. Will you not then understand? A human heart can get to these facts if he ponders sincerely, and he would feel in his heart that this life must have a result, because some people are doing bad deeds in this life and still they are getting all the goodness in this life apparently, but there has to be a life where all the judgments are done with absolute justice, and that is not possible in this life, and that is going to be done in the hereafter. So if someone ponders, he will understand that there is a life after this life that will be coming, and we must try to strive for that life. Oh Allah, give us true understanding of Quran and help us achieve the goal of life, which is getting the pleasure of Allah. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.